सेल्फी विथ सक्सेस. विषय इंग्रजी. आजचे आव्हान इंग्रजी शब्द ऐका व लिहा. हॅलो चिल्ड्रन. टुडे अंडर द सेल्फी विथ सक्सेस campaign we are going to take this activity of listening and writing English words. So are you ready?
Yes, ready.
First word again. Cross. Angry. Crown. Home. Next, him. Please. Thunder. Around. Diamond. Queen. Back. Enough. Water. Magic. Waves. In this way, we have taken a total of 50 words. Whoever has more correct words will be the winner today. Okay?
Okay.
Today's winner is
Jitendra.
very good. Jitendra, stand up. Second winner, stand up Diya and Prachiti. Clap your hands for Diya and